Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a veg burger recipe, soya chunk burger. So let's see how to make that. Here I have 2 cups of soya chunks. First I'm going to boil this by adding 1.5 cup of water. Boil this until they get soft and well cooked. Soya chunks are properly cooked, switching off the flame. To make burger patties, here I have 3 boiled potatoes. Mash it well until we get a very smooth and lump-free mixture. Now I am going to grind soya chunks coarsely. Coarsely ground mixture is ready. Transferring this into a mixing bowl. Adding 1/4 cup of grated carrots, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped beans, adding 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt. Mix well and make burger patties out of this. Shallow fry this by adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Flip this carefully. Patties are not very firm. Placing cheese slices on top of this. So these are ready. Let's assemble burger, spreading some mayonnaise on both the slices of burger buns. Some lettuce on top of this. Placing the patties and a slice of tomato. Placing one more patties, slice of tomato, lettuce, and it's done.